Whoa!
Know the phrase and get paid.
Alright, oh, I got the flip up now. Alright, what up everybody? My camera battery's low, which kind of fucking sucks, but doesn't matter. I'm here with a little bitch ass little bitch.
John Orr. Like and subscribe to the best channel.
Oh, you doing gains, bro?
Oh, Jesus.
So let me bring you guys up to date on this whole situation with John and his low Civic EK.
Jesus.
So what's going on is
Fuck you.
John's Fender had bent in, as you guys saw. So then he had an old one from his old Civic. So he got that one, painted it up, did the whole job, puts it on, gets it rolled again. The second he moves it to like drive it out or park it or somewhat. I don't know what he was doing exactly. That fender bends in. I'll probably get some video of it and put it into this video and you guys will see. But that happened, and so now we're going up north, like around Escondido, pick up another fender from his friend and see if he can make it out to the Sunday barbecue Honda versus old school meet that we're doing. Well, we're not hosting the meet, but we're doing the barbecue. So hopefully a couple of our friends can come. We invited a couple people, but yeah, that's about what's going on with that. There's also a meet tomorrow, and then on Saturday we'll see if John can make it to those. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. Not that I highly doubted that he won't, like he would be able to, but because of his fender, like who knows if he'll be able to. That's what I'm saying. But other than that, I know he wouldn't even came if he had the fender on. Bitch. What's up, man, Benny? Where's the fender?
Where's it? I can do like a little deal off the breakfast and now. Oh, right. Not the What do you want? Yeah.
That doesn't look. It just seems a little too quiet. Where is he? The dog's not even here. I don't think he's home.
I like dick. Thank gosh no one's
Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, shoot! How long were you there for?
Not that long, dude.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You missed it, bro. I was literally just like telling things I love about myself.
Oh, okay, yeah. What's up, man?
Not much, bro.
What's going on over here? Is this the lip?
Dude, it would have been so embarrassing if you heard it.
If I heard what?
What I said.
Oh, no. I probably didn't hear it. So this is the other fender right here? Oh my god. First fender. Hold on, let me let it focus. The first fender. The second one. Damn, that really happened. How did it bend in though? That's what I'm trying to...
Well, because you see where the fender itself's cracked.
Yeah, it's cracked.
So it had low points and it wasn't fully rolled out. So when it caught, one of the little things caught the freaking tires.
Oh, that's crazy. So there's the other one now? You just paint it right now, or?
No, I just wet sanded it and let it dry.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I bought this lip right here for 20 bucks. John, point to that real quick. For 20, wait, don't, yeah, not directly. For 20 bucks on OfferUp, it's I have an AP1 bumper. This lip belongs to an AP2 bumper, but I was like, fuck it, maybe it'll like just still work out somehow. But just by the looks of it, I don't really know how I feel about it, because those fog lights is what's messing it up. So I don't know. I might keep it, might not. If not, I'll just sell it back. I'll just sell it again for 20 bucks. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna leave this lip on. Alright, so for now, John's not gonna paint it. He's gonna put it on. I told him I'd recommend doing this first and then painting it, so that way the paint doesn't get messed up from the roll. But John has never rolled a Fender in his life, so it's gonna be his first time. He didn't even look up a video on YouTube or nothing, so this is really straight out of Compton kind of shit. Feeling confident, bud? Looking pretty serious right there. Cinematic shots. Don't worry about another camera.
Look at dog. It's not getting the kids.
So this is a John's roll. I'm about to try to get a better angle. You'll obviously be able to barely see it, but I mean, it's not too bad in person. There's not that much bacon. You can feel it
Right there, I'm wondering.
but
On that side? Oh, you won't be.
no, right here, and he stops right here at this tab. The tab, he stops. But I mean, it's not too bad. You really can't tell a video, but I mean, we're gonna test out the wheel right now, see how it goes. So definitely not bad, dude. Surprised. Not a single video seen. Does no knowledge about Fender rolling except for the little that he's seen from the guy. So, but we're gonna see. Scary, scary, scary. I feel like right here though, it's gonna rub a little. But other than that, it doesn't look too bad. Well, not even, maybe not even, it might not even rub. Oh shit, dude. If you pull this off, I'm gonna be impressed. And I'll get someone to suck you up. Ooh. So John's gonna bring it down now. Let's see how this goes. Dude. Then what the hell? No, wait. So you mean to tell me this non-experienced little bitch-ass bitch rolled this Fender and there is... Okay, I don't mean to put anybody on blast, okay? This is John's Fender rolling, like, okay, car goes through smoothly, okay?
Go all the way.
It's like, it's gonna fix a lot of his problems, and I feel like you could even go lower if you wanted to. Look at that. It doesn't look baconed at all, like, except for that, but that's a dent that I already had it.
Hit up me for Fender Roll?
No, okay, stop. No. Wow, impressive. All right, we're back in the car. All right, so we finished up. As you guys saw, that was really fucking impressive of John. The way he actually rolled that, I think I'm gonna have him hit him up and have him roll mine next. But no, like I'm dead serious. That was really impressive. I didn't expect it to come out that way. I expected a little bit of bacon here and there, but not as clean as he did it for. Because one, he didn't look up a video. One, he has no idea how to do it, and 3, he's only learned from watching someone do it. That's all. So that's pretty impressive.
Okay, cool.
Dio. Oh no, it's Dio. No, when it's the sarcastic Dio, it's Dio. Computer. I think it's that one. But anyways, that's it for that. So he's gonna paint it right now when we get back, because we're gonna go to the store to pick up some stuff. But that's about it for today. Peace out. See you in the next one.